How to embroider t-shirt. Part 1. Prepare accessories. Armrests, Allen wrench, backing paper, different sizes t-shirts, embroidery hoops. Part 2. Clip the t-shirt. Cut backing paper. Disassemble the embroidery hoop. Loosen the embroidery hoop. Put it under the backing paper, then put in the t-shirt. Move the embroidery hoop until the screw is facing outward. Find the embroidery position. Press and fix the embroidery hoop. Tighten the embroidery hoop. Part 3. Install the t-shirt device. Install armrests. Tighten the screws. Put the t-shirt neckline forward. Put the t-shirt hoop in armrests. Part 4. Electronic control operation. Step 1. Choose embroidery pattern. Step 2. Choose embroidery hoop. Step 3. Choose pattern direction. Press Edit button, enter embroidery status. Step 4. Choose embroidery color. M button means manual change color. A button means automatic change color. Move the pattern, adjust the position. Click the Set Start. Use the first needle, move the hoop. Button means reduce speed. Plus button means increase speed. Check the t-shirt neckline. Step 5. Start embroidery. Complete.